Don't ask me, I have nothing to do for intro. Guys, my name is Marceline Crook, and today, I'm just gonna be reacting to songs. So that song now by Doja Cat, Tia Tamara now, and that song is so fire. Like, I love Doja Cat, and I love how her music used to sound like back in the day, but it's just a song got me on a low, but I was listening to it for 2 hours yesterday, and now I can actually listen to it. When I was actually listening to it, I just felt this kind of vibe, man, and the beat alone is amazing. I don't know the whole lyrics now, but it's fire, it's fire. I still don't know what to do with my I just had to put my head to the back because I could started walking on my nerves, honestly. So that song by Doja Cat, like the beat and everything is fire. I would do a video on TikTok with that song. Most days I'm just lazy. This other song I was listening to the other day, I was so in my feelings that I literally went on Spotify and then I had to go look for this artist because her song Drama got me, you know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys know her. I don't know how you say it. Lala Sadie. Yeah, her song Drama that came out. I'm so obsessed with the song. The song is so good. But then I went on Spotify and then I was listening to her other songs also, man. So the song that got my attention the most was Murder My Feelings. The song is just so nice. I will listen to the song for the rest of my days. And I went and checked now, just to look for the song, and I was playing it down, and I'm relating to the song now because I myself want to murder my feelings. Yeah, I relate to that because I also want to murder my feelings. There's a lot of songs that I relate to, but I don't like it because I don't like relating to songs. It gets my attention sometimes, no, but then after a while, when I'm listening to music, and I really don't want to listen to the same music again. Um, I just go, and then I stop listening to it. That's what works in my nerves. If I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna react to 4 or 5 songs because then I'm still gonna have to say stuff after a while. Yeah, I feel pretty sick about it. But this is my first video I'm making, so it's understandable that I have nothing to do. I I don't technically have a YouTube videos. I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel with my friends, and we only ever made one video, and that thing didn't go viral as we wanted it to. But next weekend we're deciding to make a video, but I have to edit it. I always edit this stuff. I don't mind. I'm bored. I'm not as busy, but I wanna be. All of us obviously knows those songs because of Deadpool 3. But I am a huge fan of Stray Kids. I'm always listening to their music like and now this song, now this whole entire song, man. I even learned the dance myself, knowing I can't dance. I can't even dance. But I learned the whole dance by myself. But then I keep forgetting about it. It's awesome. Yes. Okay, I know I might seem delusional when it comes to Stray Kids. I know I am. But there's some people in the world that's also just as delusional as I am because of Stray Kids. Yes, they're all gorgeous. Flat Point, they're gorgeous. Everybody knows that. Yes. I'm about to play now. Obviously, I'm South African, and like I have a bunch of friends who are like into piano. So I don't know, like I always listen to the song most times. I don't even listen to the song as much. I can't dance, but like I'm South African. You get some South Africans that can't even dance. I'm one of them. But I have a whole TikTok account. I don't even dance on my TikTok. I just stay. I just lip sync, you know. What that? What is saying, right? There are some elderly people. They can dance even better than me. They got better moves than me. I'm dramatic and I wish to stay that way, but make it make sense. Y'all have better moves than me. That's sad. Song. It's not one of my favorites, but I'm always playing it. Even though what happened with Madeline was now, and Ice Spice and Sensual C, yeah, their whole beef going on. But just because you guys have beef doesn't mean I can't enjoy the song, even though I know the song's about cheating. I mean that whole thing was a mess, bro. And that whole problem with Sensual C because Ice Spice stole him. We don't care about that right now. The song, but just because it's about cheating doesn't mean I can't enjoy it. I don't even care about the cheating. I just want to enjoy the music, bruh. I just want to enjoy it. That's the only thing that I love about my life, you know. Listen to right, but like most of them are like K-pop, mostly. Or when I'm with my friends, I'm either listening to like R&B or like old school, man. But yeah. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I have to go. Get done, get my hair done, get my eyelashes done, do everything and whatever else. Before I leave, please make sure to like and subscribe, and all the crooks are with you, even this one who can't stop sneezing. So like and subscribe.